How to contact Boohoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can contact Boohoo. So in order to contact the Boohoo, all you have to do is just log in into your Boohoo account, and that's gonna direct you to the home page. Here you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side and go to my account. As you click on my account, that's going to take you to the my account section. So in order to contact the support team, you need to open up a new tab, and then on the web address bar you can just go ahead and type in boohoo.com/page customer service contact. I'll just make sure to drop the link at the description box below, and here you can see there's this link on how you can actually go ahead and contact the support team. So you can either contact them through a virtual assistant or an email or Facebook or whatever, and that's basically how you can contact support team on Boohoo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.